In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is n8n, simple explanation. n8n is a low-code automation tool that lets you connect your favorite apps and automate repetitive tasks without heavy coding. Every automation in n8n follows a simple formula: trigger, then action, then result. Think of it as something starts the workflow, something happens, and you get an outcome. Let's set up your first workflow. Start in your personal workspace and click the Create Workflow button, the orange one. This opens the editor canvas, which is where you'll build automation visually. Next, choose how the workflow starts. On the right panel, under What triggers this workflow, select Trigger manually. This is the easiest option for beginners, and it automatically adds your first node to the canvas. You might also see other trigger types you can explore later, like on app event, on a schedule, on webhook call, on form submission, when executed by another workflow, and on chat message. They all define different ways your workflow can start in the real world. Now add what the workflow should do. Click the plus icon on the canvas, search for an app like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets, and select the app node you want. A classic first automation is to send a Slack message automatically. This keeps things simple while showing you the complete flow from trigger to action. If the app needs access to your account, you'll be prompted to add credentials. Click Create New Credential, connect your account following the on-screen steps, and click Save. Credentials let n8n talk to your app securely and only need to be set up once per connection. Configure the action by filling in the required fields, such as the message text for Slack or the email body for Gmail. If your action needs input from earlier nodes, use mapping to pass that data along. This is where n8n's flexibility shines, even without writing code. You're ready to test. Click Execute Workflow. A logs panel appears at the bottom, showing what ran and whether it succeeded. If the node ran successfully, your automation is ready to use. From here, try simple beginner automations like sending an email automatically, adding a new row to Google Sheets, sending a Slack notification, saving form submissions, or even using AI to rewrite text. n8n is low-code, which means you drag nodes onto the canvas, connect them visually, and configure settings. No heavy programming required. You can use small expressions when needed, but beginners can automate plenty without writing code. Start simple. Trigger manually, add one app node, execute, and then expand as your needs grow.